How to fix some iCloud data isn't syncing on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to make sure that your connection is stable. iCloud syncing requires either a strong Wi-Fi connection or reliable cellular data. So you can go ahead and simply tap on Settings. In Start Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Scroll below, tap on iCloud. Inside here, check that the apps you want to sync are actually turned on. If something like photos, messages, or notes is disabled, you can simply enable it. Now head back and restart your iPhone or iPad. A simple restart can often refresh the stuck iCloud syncing process. After that, if you're still having issues, check your iCloud storage. If your storage is full, syncing may stop working completely. Open up Settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll below, then simply tap on iCloud. Scroll below again, then simply tap on Manage iCloud. And you can go ahead and simply manage the storage. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.